Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. 8 Oz 227 g cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup sugar, 1 can sweetened condensed milk, 395 g, 1 can evaporated milk, 354 ml, 3 large eggs, and 1 tsb vanilla. Make caramel with 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water, heating until amber, then pour evenly into a 9-inch springform pan. For the crust, combine 1/2 cups graham cracker crumbs with 5 Preheat oven to 350 degrees F. Blind bake the prepared crust for 10 minutes, then let it cool slightly. Pour the warm caramel into the pan, then add the flan layer made from 3 eggs, sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and 1 tsb vanilla. Gently pour the cheesecake batter, cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 1 egg, and 1 tsb vanilla over the flan. Place the springform pan in a larger roasting pan. Add hot water to reach 1 inch up the sides. Lower oven to 325 degrees F and bake 60 to 70 minutes. When baking finishes, remove the pan from the water bath and let it sit on a rack for 1 hour to settle. After 1 hour, refrigerate the flan cheesecake uncovered for at least 4 hours to firm the layers. To unmold, run a thin knife around the springform edge, release the ring, invert the cheesecake onto a plate, and then flip right side up so the caramel glazes the top. Store leftovers, refrigerated up to 5 days, or freeze up to 1 month, and thaw overnight in the fridge before serving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.